scientists are exploring the mysteries of low-energy electrons. These tiny particles seem small, yet they play a major role in medical imaging and radiation damage research. Recent research has revealed new emission mechanisms that could revolutionize how we approach cancer treatment and materials science. Want to understand how something so small can have such a massive impact? Head over to entechonline.com for the full story. Welcome back to Entech Magazine's Science and Technology News Digest. I'm Diora, bringing you the most exciting science discoveries from the first week of November 2025. From space exploration to quantum breakthroughs, from AI innovations to biological discoveries, we've got it all. India just made history. On November 2nd, 2025, ISRO successfully launched the CMS-03 satellite, heaviest communication satellite ever launched from Indian soil. Weighing a whopping 4,400 kilograms, this multi-band satellite was carried by the powerful LVM-3 rocket into geosynchronous transfer orbit. The CMS-03 will provide crucial communication services across the entire Indian Ocean region and mainland, boosting connectivity for remote areas and strengthening maritime security. This is India's fifth operational LVM-3 mission, another giant leap for Indian space technology. Europe is going all in on AI-driven science. The EU just launched RAISE, a major AI science project funded with 108 million euros. This is not a physical building, but a virtual institute connecting researchers, computing resources, and data across Europe. RAISE will tackle major challenges like cancer research, climate modeling, and earthquake prediction using AI. With AI gigafactories and 75 million euros for training top talent, Europe is aiming to lead in responsible AI innovation. Gamers, this one's for you. Xbox cloud gaming is expanding like never before. Microsoft is bringing gaming to more devices, including your car. Thanks to an LG partnership, some connected cars will soon let passengers stream and play Xbox games on the go or while charging. Looking deeper into space than ever before. Revolutionary telescope technology is transforming how we explore the cosmos. New adaptive optics and advanced sensors now let astronomers capture detailed images of distant galaxies, exoplanets, and other once invisible cosmic objects. These innovations are helping scientists understand the origins of the universe and search for signs of life beyond Earth. From ground-based observatories to space telescopes, the next generation of astronomical instruments is rewriting our cosmic story. The battery revolution is here. Researchers are making breakthroughs in solid-state battery technology that could change everything from electric vehicles to smartphones. Imagine driving your EV twice the distance or never worrying about your phone battery exploding. These next-gen batteries offer longer life, faster charging, and greater safety by removing the flammable liquid electrolyte found in lithium-ion cells. Scientists are discovering entirely new material properties through quantum electronics research. These are your everyday materials. We're talking about substances that behave in ways that seem impossible according to classical physics. Quantum materials could enable ultra-fast computers, highly efficient energy systems, and breakthrough sensors. Quantum electronics, from superconductors to topological insulators, is bringing sci-fi technologies to life. Nature might have just given us a solution to our plastic pollution crisis. Researchers have discovered bacteria in the ocean that actually eat plastic. These microscopic heroes can break down plastic waste that would normally persist in the environment for hundreds of years. Scientists are studying how these bacteria work and whether we can use them to clean up the millions of tons of plastic polluting our oceans. Could these tiny organisms be the key to solving one of humanity's biggest environmental challenges? Shopping is getting smarter. AI shopping assistants are revolutionizing how we buy online. These intelligent systems can understand your preferences. Compare prices across multiple stores. Find the best deals. The future of retail isn't just digital, it's intelligent. And finally, here's your motivation to exercise. New research shows that physical activity significantly increases natural killer cells in your body. These special immune cells are your body's first line of defense against infections and cancer. Studies reveal that regular exercise can boost these protective cells, strengthen your immune system, and potentially reduce cancer risk. These were the top stories from the world of science and technology this week. Until next week, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep your curiosity alive. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our monthly digests. Which story excited you the most? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Diora, and I'll see you next week with more amazing science and tech news.